Hello and welcome. In this video, we will look at the second quarter 2014 supply and demand numbers for gold. In this video, we will look at the sector and section totals, and then in the subsequent videos, we will look at each section and sector in more detail. For the second quarter of 2014, total demand was 963.8 tons, which is a 16% drop from second quarter 2013 of 1,148.3 tons. It is also a significant drop over first quarter 2014, but it is an increase over third and fourth quarter 2013. Looking at the individual sectors, we can see that jewelry demand, which accounts for more than 50% of total demand, was down 30% in the second quarter of 2014 from the second quarter of 2013. Second quarter jewelry demand was 509.6 tons, which was lower than first quarter 2014, every quarter in 2013, and barely higher than the last two quarters of 2012. Total technology demand was 101 tons, down 3% from 103.8 tons of second quarter 2013, but it is an increase over the last two quarters, and technology demand is pretty much flattened out. Looking at investment demand, we can see that total bar and coin demand of 275.3 tons for the second quarter of 2014 is a 56% decline from second quarter 2013 of 627.9 tons. And second quarter 2014 was the lowest quarter in several years. With a 57% decline in physical bar demand, a 50% decline in coin demand, and a 56% decline in medallion demand, physical gold investment demand has significantly dropped off. In addition, we can see that ETFs outflowed 39.9 tons of gold. However, that decline is significantly less than the decline of 402.2 tons in second quarter 2013. So the lower decline in ETFs subtracted from the total coin and bar demand yields a higher investment demand total for 2014 than in 2013. Looking at central bank demand, we can see that second quarter 2014 central banks bought 117.8 tons of gold, or about 12% of total demand, which is a 28% increase over second quarter of 2013. The increase in central bank demand was the only real increase in demand of second quarter 2014. Total supply in second quarter 2014 was 1,078 tons, which is a 10% increase over second quarter 2013. And total supply for the first half of the year is up 5% from the first half of 2013. Total supply from mining for the second quarter of 2014 is up 4% from the second quarter of 2013, and quarter two signaled the 8th consecutive quarter of year-on-year growth in mine production due to pipeline growth and operational measures. Furthermore, production for mining is expected to increase for the rest of 2014, but then it is expected to peak out and plateau over the next 4 to 6 quarters. So for the second quarter of 2014, we can see that total gold demand was down 16% and total gold supply was up 10%. In the next videos in this series, we will look at each sector and section individually and in more detail. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.